your ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit.
Hey Colorful Weirdos! My name is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So for today's video, I will be unboxing Xyza Powerlash. This one. So they reached out to me on Instagram and their branding is about empowering Filipino women. I like their branding and it's about empowering women, Filipino women mainly. And then it caught my attention kasi I also love empowering Filipino women because also hindi sila confident with their hair, like when it comes to coloring hair, nag-iisip sila, nagsisecond thought sila na kaya ko ba to, pwede ba to sa akin, bagay ba to sa hair ko because of my skin tone. Like every skin tone, bagay yan sa hair, bagay yan sa color ng hair mo, you know? You just have to wing it, you know what I mean? Kaya ako nag-guess dito din because nga, I love their branding as well. Also their packaging is so cute. This is my favorite color actually. So, ito yung makikita mo when you unbox the box of Powerlash. Yeah, and then you will see here, beauty for today's empowered Filipina. So, when you unbox it, see, this is what you will see. They gave me a note. Yeah, so this is the note. Yeah, hey Janina, thanks for joining a movement to build a world of confidently beautiful, empowered Filipinas. With the Powerlash, we hope to help you grow long, full, and healthy lashes. Kasi yun yung binibenta nila na Powerlash. That's why it's called Powerlash. So you can stand up to be bold, confident, and empowered women you are meant to be, and ultimately radiate this to all the women around you. With you, more Filipinas will stand up and be themselves and make more impact to the world. We're excited to start this Xyza empowered journey with you. Love always, Veronica. Yeah, so it's more on being confident with your own skin, your own flaws, and their mission and their vision. So let's read their mission. So their mission is giving every Filipina access to products that naturally bring out the bold, confident, and empowered beauty they have within, so they can create a positive impact in the world. See, their branding pa is so nice. So vision is a world where every Filipina can speak facts without judgment, create impact with injustice, access opportunity without inequity, rise to the occasion without discrimination, and be all these things that we define as beauty without needing to be anyone else but you. This is so me kasi I don't really care about what people think about yung kung anong bagay sa hair ko. Kasi may mga iba, yung red and yellow hindi bagay sa skin tone. It pushes me to dye my hair red and yellow. Anyways, I have 2 Powerlash. Excited. So I will get this one. I actually opened this already for a photo shoot. So ito siya, the Powerlash. And then when you open it, so nice. Powelash, and they actually have a 10K giveaway. You can actually check their account, Xyza PH, at Xyza PH. I'll link it down below in my description box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have a new video.
It's the way you